Flins, please, Flins, come on, come home. Asseblief. Ke a o kgopela ne, please. Come home, Flins, please. Yo.
Greetings. I am Kirill Chudamirovich Flins.
Yes.
It is considered good etiquette to give my full name when greeting important guests.
Yes.
But this no doubt leaves you wondering what to call me on a day-to-day basis.
Don't worry about that.
Well, in the past, I was customarily addressed as Chudamirovich by most.
Yeah.
But for simplicity's sake, you can just call me Flins.
Of course. I'll
That's
call you
my
whatever
surname.
you want. It's fine. I'll call you whatever you want. It's fine. Yay. Oh. How many cons does she have now? 1, 2, 4? Or 3? Now I have to save for your weapon, but yes.
A gesture of encouragement.
Hey, brother, I farmed for you. You are gonna get to level. You're gonna get to level 80. I don't think I have enough for. Oh. Sorry. This way. Let's go. Oh, motherfucker. I fucking kill me. I'm talking about this last things. Hurry it up. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy y'all added this. The ascension all the way. I'm short on flowers. Then I pick today. Yeah. Time to go hunting for flowers, I guess. Oh, yeah, right.
Allow me to guide the way.
Please select target for cleanup sequence. May knowledge guide you.
Now, where the hell is my super
I can do it.
Part of the build is the question. Hey, deploy. Okay, so after a couple of beeps and bops, There we go. Oh, what the fuck is your quick damage so high already? The hell? To what? Oh, fucking hell. So, okay, Zhao, you have. I will. When I get his weapon, you'll be fine. Don't worry. Alright, so, because I'm pretty sure I have your set. Something. I have something somewhere. I don't need that much good damage though. Sure, we'll take that. Sure. Let's go. I can go for you. I don't fucking care. I don't know what your scale off of. Your scale or something. Wait. Hey, what the fuck? Hey, what the fuck? Hey, what the hell? Hey. First off, defense. Physical damage. Then HP. Like, the fuck is this? Yeah. I might just go this for now, I guess. Oh, who the hell gives a shit? Maybe. But do I want to do this? Hell no. I'll get to this. For now. What? You know what? I'm gonna go up to 4. For both of them. Are you fucking kidding? For 9 of them, 1. Of course. Brother, I will. You. Well, let's yoink. Yoink. And yoink. Okay. I just see what the weapons on. Like, what the fuck is my history on the weapon banner anyway? What do I have here? Yeah, okay. No. I'm gonna have to start saving again to pull for this weapon. But because I already have you, it's good. If I get Aquasin, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. What are the 4 stars here? Oh. I don't. I beg of you, please. Please. I beg you. Hi. Please. Hi. Okay, girl. Now we will go back to the I don't think I did not find. Let's see. How big is it? If you get to end up good enough for me, I guess. Oh, fuck.
Time to act. Rain outlines your fate. Stand clear. Insulation chamber deployed.
Be silent. Close your eyes.
Rain outlines your fate. Stand clear. Absorption test.
Defensive mode engaged.
Close your eyes. Do you fear the dark? Observe. Night falls. silent. Night falls. Observe. Do you fear the dark?
Cleanup sequence initiated.
Absorption test. Let me weave you a verse.
Close your eyes. To dust. Be silent. Observe.